class Myxinoidae. So Myxinoidae are the hagfish, right? They look quite similar to the lampreys based on their external features and characteristics. So, but they are totally different if you see the phylogenetic relationship of these two animals. So these are saprophytic in nature, and instead of having the teeth spread within their mouth, they have a plate or the tongue-like structure in their mouth that has all the teeth confined into that part, and they rub that tongue-like structure on their food, on the dead carcasses of the animals, of marine animals, and decompose them and feed on them. Here you see this is a tongue-like structure which has a keratinized teeth on it. So no, in generally we also call them slimy eels, and their size varies from 45 centimeter to 1 meters length, and they have a large number of the slime glands. Here you see in this animal, you see these all are the slime glands, right? So, and this is along the whole length of the body, and then there are some gills present as well. They have 14 pharyngeal openings or 14 gills. लैम्प्रेज में 7 होते हैं, hagfish में 14. Right, so their eyes are vestigial. They do not have developed eyes, so and they are bottom dwellers, and but they have very well developed olfactory senses or olfactory receptors, so they can sense the composition of their host and water they are living in. They do not have any dorsal fin. They only have the caudal fin for the sluggish movement along the surface of the ocean.